E-money, ain't no question, it's E-money. Digging on the ore, wanna be money. Kick so dope, call them D-money. To my party people, tell them we money. Party people, tell them we money. It's E-money, it's E-money, it's E-money, it's E-money. Yeah, when you see money, ain't no question, it's E-money. Digging on the ore, wanna be money. Kick so dope, call them D-money. To my party people, tell them we money. Party people, tell them we money. It's E-money, it's E-money, it's E-money, it's E-money. Yeah, aloha, I'm him like I'm Jay, thought I told ya. They might be cool, but I'm colder. I carry the team on my shoulder. Like a royal flush out for ya. Like a bowling ball, we roll ya. But piece up the fam like yoga. Ball switch with the floater. Pull up on your striker pose in my Jordan foes. Can't oppose, do not doze. That's just how it goes. Drip my clothes, different flows. Fly kicks on my toes. Grail status gotta show how my aura glows. When you see money, ain't no question, it's E-money. Digging on the ore, wanna be money. Kick so dope, call them D-money.
What it do, my party people? I like to welcome you once again with one great big aloha. It's early Sunday morning. I'd like to give a shout out to the bro Robb-Rock for the intro. I'd like to welcome everyone back to my channel again. Welcome to my new subscribers, continued subscribers, my kanes, my wahines, my kampunas, my keiki. Welcome back to the channel. As you already know, we are on the road to 10K, hopefully, prayerfully by Thanksgiving, all right, at the latest. Christmas, I want to do a giveaway. I haven't did a giveaway in a long time. But first, I need for you to tell a family member, friend of a friend, so we can hit this milestone. So I know you already hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe, share. Make sure you follow the home team, 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF on all social media platforms, YouTube, IG, Instagram. Also, if you want to follow me as well, Emoneyshoes, please do. I guess you have to be following me, right, if you are looking at me on this channel. I am going to start another channel, E-Money Reviews. I'm going to start reviewing different stuff, wrestling, power, or raising Cane, all that different stuff. My last review, kind of slacking, was the MJ movie, which I think is excellent. Saw that 2 times. I want to get into that. Don't want to take about what this review is actually about. Now, other than that, yes, I did hear you. So without further ado, we're gonna go right into this review. I got these joints from Soul Play. I had my mind on these. I got them for $100, and I think that's roughly where it is right now. If you find it on the secondary market, somewhere around there under retail. This shoe has released numerous times, and I think the price haven't dropped too much since 2009, maybe $30 to $40. So here I have a size 10 Air Griffey Max 1. 10. I went 10. I probably should have went 10. I kind of like these because these shoes are kind of bulky. These are the Freshwater joint. Let me see. How much did I pay for these? I got it. We just got my little receipt in now that I got the shoe. And as you can see right here, got your paper wafer. These are clean. Every time I kept passing on them before, I had the weeks. I wish I would have kept them, but here in Hawaii, we have limited room, so you can't be buying all these shoes. Just recently, I got a storage, and that is almost full, which is sad. I know I gotta have to get rid of some of these shoes. Like when one of the homies were talking, you only get about 5 years here, all the heat, and your shoes gonna start falling apart, and we don't get a chance to wear shoes as often because you can just wear some slides and you good to go. Some like people say I have the store run shoes. Without further ado, can't even talk. Here we go. Bang, bang. Woo. I was thinking about trying to switch it out with red laces, but nope. I'm gonna leave it all OG. And just like the bro Mike Rich always say, these are some stompers. You can even feel it, like you can do some curls with these joints. They are heavy. I think the retail on these was $170. Clean. Y'all already know about Griffey Jr., Griffey Sr. Griffey Jr. played with the Seattle Mariners, right? Very, very dope. Underneath, you see you got the baseball, and you got the pretty much even traction, so you can play Yeah, I can imagine back in the day when people had the turf and football, you probably can wear these for indoor football as well. This is Nubuck suede on the toe box, and you have your nice little swoosh there. I don't know if there's leather, like a pleather as they would call it. Then you got on the midsole, you see you got those hits of air, and then you got this air unit right here on the side, and then the back. So pretty much you got Nike Air, or like an Air Max feel to this shoe. You got to get the strap with his number, because his number was 24. Now some people leave this strap, some people take it off. Let me see. So y'all let me know what you think. Do you wear it like this, or do you wear it strapped up? Now you also got your pull tab. You got your back pull tab and your front tab to kind of help you get the foot in the shoe. And you have the back booty to give you a little bit more ankle support, or back heel support, I should say. Then on the side of it, the ankle cushion is not too bad on the shoe. That's right. I'm about to say I don't have my glasses on, but I don't know if you can see that, but that is Nike embossed into the strap. There you go. You can see it better there. Nike. Very, very dope. Very clean. And on the panels, this is not the greatest level. Of course, it's stiff as hell, but I don't mind it being that, like that, being that how the bulk of the build of the shoe is. And I want to say right here, because when you get these lines, generally in these lines in this shoe, that represents fly wire. I could be wrong, but that's generally what it represents. I like this little hit of red. If you've seen me in my other videos, red is my favorite color, right? So I don't mind it. And I thought about switching it all, the speed lacing system out to do red, but I think I'm gonna leave it as is. Generally, when you have these little small lacing system like this, just like on the 9 for speed lacing, don't ask me to actually give you any extra speed, but that's just what it is, right? So I'm gonna look at the other shoe, the right side. I don't see any other hidden Easter eggs like they say in the shoe. Outside, I did mention you have your mini swoosh right there on the 24. Now on the insole, let's see what we got. And with the nice teal insole, and wow, can't believe it. This shoe actually has, voila, a shoe tree. I cannot believe it. But I appreciate you. I really, really appreciate you. So you guys let me know what you think. Did you cop these up, or are you waiting for them to go on the ultimate sale? But I think I got these a pretty good deal. Soul Play ATL, they be having some steals. The most recent they had was the Take 40 and the free shipping. Here being on the islands, they be tearing me up. Generally shipping $39-40. So I don't mind paying, getting it for a steal, free shipping, and it take 2 or 3 weeks, because I'm not gonna wear these anyway. So again, let me know what you think. Leave it in the comment section and we can chop it up. Until the next one, we out.